Ways to control fungi. Number 1. Prevent spores from germinating. Number 2. Spraying with fungicide. This crawling organism with shell called snail also destroys our plant. Metaldehyde liquid suspension is used to kill snails, while fruit fly of mango can be controlled by an azudrine insecticide. These sucking insects, called mealybugs, can be controlled by a chlordane or metaldehyde. Insects like moths and butterflies are categorized under Lepidopterous insects and can be controlled with azudrine insecticide. Chewers are poisoned with arsenic. Arsenic is an extremely poisonous semi-metallic element. Branch felt disease. This is most common among mango trees when the climate is warm and moist. Control measures for branch felt disease. Number 1. Clean culture. Number 2. Field sanitation. Number 3. Periodic spraying of metaldehyde solution. And number 4. Prune branches if heavily affected.